Empower yourself with a strong and resilient core foundation with these selective exercises. Let's do the workouts. Exercise number 1, Commando pull-up. Instructions: hang from a pull-up bar, palms facing forward. Pull yourself up, bringing one elbow towards the hip while extending the other arm straight. Alternate sides. Benefits: enhances core stability, engages multiple muscle groups, and builds upper body and core strength for a resilient foundation. Exercise number 2, Dumbbell front squat. Instructions: hold dumbbells at shoulder height, squat down by bending knees and pushing hips back. Keep chest up and back straight. Benefits: strengthens the core, targets leg muscles, and improves overall stability, contributing to a powerful and resilient core foundation. Exercise number 3, Dumbbell lying femoral. Instructions: lie on your back, lift legs with a dumbbell between feet, lower legs towards the ground, and lift back up. Benefits: targets lower abdominal muscles, enhances hip flexibility, and contributes to a strong and resilient core foundation. Exercise number 4, Inverted row with straps. Instructions: set up suspension straps, lie underneath, grab straps, and pull your body up, engaging the core. Benefits: works the back, strengthens the core, and improves posture, fostering a resilient core foundation. Exercise number 5, Stretching, seated wide angle pose sequence. Instructions: sit with legs wide, hinge at hips, and reach forward. Rotate through different angles for a complete stretch. Benefits: enhances flexibility, relieves tension, and promotes a supple core, contributing to a resilient foundation. Empower yourself with a strong and resilient core foundation, because a powerful core unlocks the strength within. Join us on this transformative journey towards a resilient you. Stay strong, stay empowered.